Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best composite deck restorer is probably one of the most effective ways to revitalize your weathered composite deck. Over time, composite decks can lose their luster due to sun exposure and general wear and tear. This video will explore the top-rated restorers, detailing their application, performance, and how they can bring your deck back to its former glory, making it look fresh and new. Number 5. Mold Armor EZ House Fence and Patio Wash. Introducing Mold Armor EZ House Fence and Patio Washington. This product is designed to bring your outdoor surfaces back to life. It's a quick and easy solution for a fresh look. This cleaner restores the natural look of your deck, fence, and patio. It removes dirt, mold, and mildew stains effectively. You'll be amazed at the transformation. Mold Armor's formula kills mold and mildew at the roots. It's a great choice for composite decks and other outdoor surfaces. The results are long-lasting. The product uses microband foaming technology. It lifts dirt and debris, clinging to surfaces for a thorough clean. This ensures a deep and lasting clean. Simply spray it on and let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing. It's that easy to achieve a clean and refreshed outdoor space. Get ready to enjoy your revitalized surfaces. It's safe for use on vinyl, brick, stucco, and more. It won't harm plants when used as directed. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's safe for your surroundings. What we like. This cleaner brightens your deck in minutes, making it look new again. The microband foaming technology lifts dirt and debris, ensuring a long-lasting clean. If you are looking for a quick and easy solution to refresh your deck, you should consider this. What people say. Using it was easy. I just connected the bottle to my garden hose, sprayed it on, let it sit, and rinsed it off. The difference was noticeable within minutes. I was able to remove 95% of the mold and algae in 30 minutes, including prep and cleanup and rinsing the plants, using just one application and a few minor touch-ups. Number 4. Defy Composite Deck Waterproofing Sealer 1 gallon. Are you looking for a way to protect your composite deck from water damage? This product is designed to do just that. It will help extend the life of your deck. This sealer provides a waterproof barrier. It prevents water from penetrating the composite material, protecting it from the elements. Applying this sealer is straightforward. You can easily apply it to your deck, ensuring complete coverage and protection. With 1 gallon, you can cover a significant area. This provides ample coverage for most standard-sized decks, making it a cost-effective solution. This sealer offers long-lasting protection. It helps maintain the appearance and integrity of your deck for years to come. What we like. This product provides waterproofing for your composite deck. It protects your deck from the elements, extending its lifespan. If you want to protect your deck from water damage and the elements, you should consider this. What people say. My deck looks better than new. It brought back the nice dark color and covered what I thought was dirt and grime. The best part is it helps prevent new messes. Dirty paw prints and shoe marks hardly show up and are easy to clean if they do. This year there is none, so this product works. It truly renewed the look, went from faded, flat, and washed out to something with some shine and renewed deeper colors. Number 3. Premium Deck Cleaner Kit. This professional-grade solution effectively eliminates stains, mold, and grime. It's designed to make your deck look its best, removing those unsightly blemishes. The product is a powerful cleaner. This highly concentrated cleaner provides superior cleaning performance. It's one of the best options available for various decking brands. You'll get maximum value with this product. Unlike other products, this kit includes a high-quality brush to help scrub away tough stains. It's designed for both pressure washer and manual cleaning. This makes the cleaning process easier. This wood deck cleaner is safe for your family, pets, and plants. It's free of harmful chemicals. The product is also eco-friendly. This concentrated cleaner removes environmental staining and releases ground and dirt. It will make your deck look squeaky clean. The product is very effective. It penetrates deep, lifting dirt and stains, leaving your deck refreshed. It will revitalize your deck. The product is easy to use. What we like. This deck cleaner effectively eliminates black and green stains, mold, and grime. It is eco-friendly and safe for your family and pets. If you have a deck with tough stains and want a safe and effective cleaner, you should consider this. What people say. It worked so well on my composite light gray deck. The concentrate worked fine to kill the moss or growths on the deck and ramp boards. It completely changes the color of our deck after a fall-winter spring of grime and pollen. Number 2. Wash Safe Composite Deck Cleaner, 1 gallon. This cleaner is designed to safely clean composite decks. It's non-hazardous and uses a minimal amount of bleach. It cleans without discoloring or damaging your deck, ensuring lasting results. This product effectively removes black stains and mold from composite decking. It penetrates deep into the pores, leaving your deck spotless. Unlike other cleaners, it gets the job done right. The specialized formula includes a small percentage of chlorine bleach. This, combined with surfactant chemicals, breaks down deep-set stains without any scrubbing. It's easy to use. You can adjust the dilution based on the stains. For tough stains, use it undiluted. For routine maintenance, dilute it to keep your deck looking fresh. Whether you have Trex, TIMBERTECH, or other brands, this cleaner works wonders. It removes stubborn black stains with minimal effort. It's the perfect solution for your deck. What we like. This cleaner removes black stains and mold without any scrubbing. The formula penetrates deep, leaving your deck spotless. If you are looking for a hassle-free, deep cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. I mixed it at a ratio of 1 gallon of cleaner to 1 gallon of water and left it soak for a couple of hours. I then power washed it. The lattice was quite moldy. 2 coats of this product and some spraying with a bit of scrubbing the worst spots and it is back to a lovely white. This stuff works well. Number 1. TIMBERTECH Deck Cleaner, 1 gallon. This cleaner is incredibly versatile. It works great for cleaning your entire deck or for tackling those tough spills and stains. It's the perfect solution for any cleaning job. The formula is highly concentrated. 1 gallon bottle makes 4 gallons of cleaner when diluted properly. This is enough to clean approximately 1,000 square feet of surface area. Clean your deck with a formula that's biodegradable. It's designed to be safe for the environment while still providing powerful cleaning action. This effective formula was created specifically for TIMBERTECH AZK, Pro, and edge-capped decking, porch, and railing. It is guaranteed not to damage products or compromise warranties when used as directed. It can also be used for dry space and pavers. This product is a great choice for maintaining the beauty and longevity of your outdoor spaces. What we like. This cleaner is versatile, working well for both spot treatments and entire deck cleaning. It is concentrated, providing great value. If you like a deck cleaner that is specifically formulated for your TIMBERTECH deck and is environmentally friendly, you should consider this. What people say. The product worked great to restore the color of my composite deck. It was easy to apply and the results were impressive. The deck looks like new again after using this product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.